Here's another pro tip from your SmartMatchApp family, and today, we're covering tasks. Inside your SmartMatchApp CRM is a built-in Kanban board that you can fully customize to fit your agency's workflow and for your agency users to utilize for productivity. First, let's set your tasks. Click on Settings and select Task. This is where you can add boards for the entire team. Click Plus Board and give it a name, then hit Save. You can rearrange them in any order you prefer, or delete a board directly from here by clicking the three dots. You can add as many boards as you deem fit. Next up, you'll want to click on each board to further customize it. You can change the board name, add different statuses that fit this board, reorder them, hide a board from Kanban or not, and delete statuses. You can also add several tags, color code them, rearrange them, or delete them by clicking the three dots. You can also select the agency users who can access this board. Now, finally, click the Tasks menu from the side navigation bar. From here, you'll see all of the boards you've created. There are a lot of things you can do from here. You can now start adding tasks. Either from a task template, create an entirely new task, or create a new task template. You can also switch views here depending on your preference. You can also do an advanced search from here to easily find a task. You can search by the task creator, the date the task was created, the task due date, any tasks linked to your clients, or to find a task template. You can also sort the tasks depending on their tag, status, assignee, whether a task has been archived or not, or default sorting. Selecting a task can give you more options to either bulk edit a task or delete it altogether. Clicking on a specific task can get you more in-depth information about the task. You can view or edit the task title. See who created it and when it was created. Add a task description, or edit them when needed. You can also add checklists, notes, reminders, and attachments. You can also see the entire timeline or history of this task. From here, you can also view the board this task belonged to, the name of the task creator, the name of the agency user it's assigned to, the task status, priority, due date, any folders, and its tags. Other actions you can do from here are to move this task to another board, assign it to another agency user, duplicate a task, make it a template, archive or unarchive it, and even delete the task. You can also link your clients' profiles to it so the task appears on their profile as well, and even link a task to another related task for more accuracy. And that is how tasks works with SmartMatchApp. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and share it with your fellow matchmakers. Until next time.